Tokire asomotinyo iga na kabero mwako yega bwechiri bubere na merongevere nevere otogendrete kumurekera onse ariga ntokolekana kurwa Chinkongo chonsi ime na isiko yorongoro kuchinga kchire na nengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isato chia bono botuko nyariko gosansamuranira aseliwa aliabereka kolekana ime na isiko bariki baito mabere basangereria korwa Chinkongo chonzi ritukaligahaniria ijuma unacheka hotel ya buri tanga ni tariki kenda omutinye kumanya sinchira returning Vincent Onyacha.
In the last 1 year alone, EACC has recovered 6.2 billion Kenya shillings of stolen assets.
Obokurumini gobo bwatanso mwakoyo chi bilioni 5 ne munugo tevere chia kurumwa chekererwe ekombekere kyo korobo kurumi EACC yatebire.
I, Ezekiel Juma Otieno, the returning officer, hereby declare that Obiero Brian, Chief Anyango,
ODM na UDA koroderyo kya sobo choryobo kebwekergo kyobo Senator County ya Bungoma.
We are committed to do our part in making sure that Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology and other institutions of higher learning and research are facilitated to fulfill their part in transforming Kenya.
Oikatosire chisemia nase University oteviro muraiwense William Ruto. Asa yuamone ende mange mwanchu murigire bono isaranso kenkumanya senchira yobo ikranu tochakeri tukeli gabona litukweli gabuna botambe omutinyo komina kabrisariki kendani goli tuko bako sensemelia yokurwani obokurumi libegetense masoko nyara kuligerelia amangana alengete obokurumi naboigo chinchira kira tumikeli kunyara agoke yobokurumi ase chinsem ense ya Kenya una chinse chinde boigo ni genyera litukeli abwasomulike tokurase county ya Nyamira jobu mahangi atarira ense moyeli chiko na gotwaliganira roboti rokubwatia.
Ekero ensengi mayachengera litukoline nalyokurwania obokurumi ababwatani aombarwa birengereri byabo igoro yeli tukeli ntoire getambuke likolio mwakili Charles Nyamwange oyogokolera obokoleri bwaye asomochi Onyamira elinde kumanya sobwagare igoro yesegi yokurwania obokurumi asense ito ya Kenya
esegi ya corruption nesegi ngia. We want to live in a world free of corruption. So it's a good thing. It's a thing that calls for concerted efforts. It is not a one-man's show.
Ato erera buna sama tukabwango iga nigo ebina byokurwania obokurumi byakeire anene mono asabisi yaye. Kolende nateba abantu abange mbaliko soera abantu bagokora obokurumi asaba saba waka oroboti elinde gokeja obokurumi asense ito ya Kenya.
So we also urge our people regendo kere corrupt in nature kero kende gosinobsikete kwagenda monta go sabachibesa monta take to my bribe amanye go korregazi. You need to report because we never but they are going unnoticed.
Elinde gokeya obokurumi asense ito ya Kenya nasaba baibuli gokinya abana sechinchera chindonge.
So even at home omwana atagedebuna omugorere skutu manya komotoma. You see, that's how these things start and gradually they are deep rooted. Let them understand that they need to carry out those activities. No anya sai gaga devuna ekiora ndigo chigoro.
Narwa ekurenti ndigo chiase bali baraba kurumi. Buna egesusurege tindi nkero.
Oyo okwae guri yake no yokoruri yake. Vamos na bako gambi kubasibwe. Diaki, for example, you name a Mogwar Korea, Quarutumia your certificates, Nabajira have not fight, Nabajira have blacklisted. Let us son corrupt means, Omenye, Owimabodia, or deserve it.
Kuruase County Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Mbiamono homulikito Job Maangi hasorobochi rwa senchira yobo ikiranu boyo gotigara samangana arengete nokurwani obokurumi bunali tukeliga lyalengeli na sokomolekera amangana arengete obokurumi ekyombekali gyokorwani obokurumi 8600 Corruption Commission EACC ni gobono gyatebire bunaso mwako yegani go kyabere gekonyora na gusangereria chibilioni 5 ne monu gutebire chibono cyaba chigokurumwa asenchira yobo tutukano sabatebire boy gombagendere kubwate chimbaretero chinde elikone kibuna nkorane bale chibaza chiri cyabere chigokurumwa aiga sense ya Kenya.
I want to mention that in the last 1 year alone, EACC has recovered 6.2 billion Kenya shillings of stolen assets. Public officials are supposed to account for everything that they own. We call it prove it or lose it. You have to account for what you own or you lose it to the public. And the courts have actually, adopted that position.
People in courts were recovering the resources, but there is a little too much left out there to recover. What we need is a concerted effort in engineering our value system so that we have good people.
But of course, while doing that, everybody knows their areas. They are not collaborating so that every case that goes there results in a conviction if somebody is not guilty.
Nago tigara boigo asamangana arengete okurwani obokurumi ekyombeki yokurwani obokurumi EACC nigo gyatebire buna kagendrete kumulekera asobime amangana arengete obokurumi haiga sense ya Kenya boigo nigo bakorogo tinde nakorwa okuraga gochia sense mo ya serikali asibara bachikwebwatania asamangana yobokurumi bachikwemekirege tambukirege tinde kolengana nelichiko nigo batebire buna onde bwensi boigo ratoka serikali nigara chikwemekirege tambukero onyaka bwatemiremo ere mamincha nelichiko abonegate buna bali bagotumeka maskari atali yekene certificate chiabo aso kwenyorere mirima senchira yobo limumba chikubikorege tambokero abwase mirimo yabere abage korana bego wakana chiba chiri babere bagotumia ayekero baratoke buna nigo bakumire serikali ya Kenya.
Employing people with fake documents and irregular employment. Once we investigate and we find out that somebody was employed using fake documents or acquired the job irregularly, what we are doing is that apart from filing the criminal suit, we are also filing the civil recovery for the salary that that person, that officer has earned over that particular period of time. That's what we are doing as a punitive measure, so that we avoid a situation whereby somebody is just taken to court criminal and he goes away with the salary, which he got from the government and he was not qualified for it. As a country, our moral fabric has gone down to levels that we cannot ascertain. And we, as Ethics and Corruption Commission, what I can say is that we have investigated various cases of fake documents, and we liaise keenly with the Qualification Authority of Kenya. We also liaise with Commission of Higher Education and the respective universities that those certificates are purported to have come from.
Chingo kiyogo TV osokotigana namangana harengete obokurumi tumulekera lyabere kakolekana kurwa Chinsa mochindo murai wense William Samuel Ruto ni gatero na serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigebegete mirobiri bene kone kibuna nkonyara bale gosira mangana harengete Chisemi Ruto ka ukonna kurasa university ya Masinde muliro yakara boroki oba university yobale kobe kura chigutwa ni gatebire bune kangene nyense ya Kenya nabega na serikali ya Kenya kwanza no kone kibuna ngokini bale ebirengo by'Chisemi.
We are looking forward to the universities and other institutions of higher learning being the hub of the development of our human capital, the most precious asset that we have as a nation. And it is my vision that Kenya shall be the country that will provide the most modern, sharpened, and intellectual human capital to serve humanity, starting with our continent. We are committed to do our part in making sure that Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology and other institutions of higher learning and research are facilitated to fulfill their part in transforming Kenya.
Chingoki chiomo Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi nereko kona kurwa senseme ye University ya Masinde Muliro nigate birobune birengo bechiseme ngati ya hali abaraye bakomurekera sobeme naboniga nyareka gote buno ko bwatera na kuga kuranya reko konya ebirengo bechiseme aiga sense ya Kenya.
Let me extend my warm greetings and congratulations to all of you, my fellow graduates, as you set out on the next steps of your journey and as you cross many more milestones that mark your achievements. Proudly recall the values that MUST gave you and how it empowered you for success. Use it for the betterment of society. I dedicate this honorary degree bestowed on me today to those that have believed in me over the years, and that includes my wife Tessie, and to all those who have been injured in our country in the struggle for peace.
Nyirabono Musalia Mudavadi ni garenge gati ya borokiwa wali bakubekirwa kigutwa rituko lya lero gotigara boigo asa mungana rengete chisemi Ezekiel Machogo yoro muwaziri bwe chisemi nekira nasomo yigo yiboli rituko lya lero sa University ya Masinde Muliro awase boigo anyaraka gotebe buna aborokiwa bali bakubekirwa kigutwa rituko lya lero bane kibuna nkoro kibale chimbo chingi yana boigo kobekero kerlikia anemaiga yokobekirwa kigutwa nigo chinga kimacho gwate bune gangene na Bible koine kiuna anko abara bana babesemi ya sekirenga bune serikali nerita yali kubwaterana ilikone kiuna ngosira bali chisemi na kochikie kerengo kinde aiga sense ya Kenya.
Ever since the year 2006 when Masinde Muliro was given a charter, we have had 43,000 graduates from this university, so the 3,800 are joining the alumni. And we are urging them to be good ambassadors out there. Do not forget the values you have learned here, values of honesty, truthfulness, competence, and commitment. That is what will clearly make you stand out in the job market.
Omokonyi umurebwense Rigathi Gachagua magayo gokoretara ego tia asense ya Angola nigo aburi amenyi benseme yokone kibuna nkobwaterana bale na kumugania mangana yobunchiria aiga sense ya Kenya. Rigathi Gachagua kaokwana kurwa sense me yomaga yokomerana na Kenya bari meta sense mo ya Angola nigate abuna echo jinga kichia bena bwente kubwatana sobwamo na koene kibuna ngokini bale obunchiria bunenchire mo yogokini uchumi. Rigathi boigo nigate abunense ya Kenya gebegete merobeli seni likonyara koene kibunango tinga balo bwamatobuya egatine Chinsa chinde asorogongo ru Africa ane asense ya Angola asokone kibunango kini bale uchumi. Na kira yubo igagendete kamati yokunengia na gutukaba commission abanebe kyombekeri kyobochori nechimbe IBC nigo bono yachaka bene obokorri bwabe kamati yabakegochorwa nigo yatebire bunerigeti koene kibunanko nyarire kuba unengia ba commission abane bekyombekeri kyobochori kya IBC abo barenge kurawa nomo koyo munyakero bo Juliana Cherera inyira bono batatu ba commission abu nigo baba wetigemeremo ekero kirimo commission otigarete no yomo ase ekyombekyo na bokorengana no mo commissioner yu Irene nigo bono abereka gote abuno abereka konyore simi yubono ekomuboria abekawetigine meremo korwase ekyombeki kyobochori nchimbebe na boni go baya kwa naye kero barengase nyumba ya KICD chinga kichumo gerio yomo commissioner Irene Masit Donald Kipkorire nigo akanire ekyombeki kogendra gotwale bikaro byabo ngasekere ngabune kina kengabune kinigo kerasteke gambero nabonigo omwegererio ye Irene Masiti ngoyo gatebuna bagakonyore simi kumubolia neretigie mirimo buno mo commission wekombekeri kyobochori kya IBC ne gateba buna ikinenge buna ntikogendera kubwatekana buna ba commission abandi batato tayare betigiri emirimo.
So in view that now 3 commissioners have resigned, to proceed as it is may prejudice my client, because as I said, the documents are joint, the evidence is joined, and it will so basically the proceedings are as they are basically for the 4 commissioners. So we need to have a way out of the to resolve the issue of the joint.
The commissioners each took the appointment. It was an individual appointment and individual oath that was taken in regard to the Constitution, and it is individual request for the removal of the commissioner, and therefore we will proceed and inquire into the allegations that were contained in the petition as conveyed to us.
Na ashikura chiabaete chigwakwa ase county ya Bungoma nabone county ya Siaya ase constituency ya game ni gobono kiama kya ODM kiarokanete wa Kirwanse tokocha kurose county ya Bungoma ase kirgo kyobo senator omurandiriwe kirgo kyogotra ase kiama kia Ford Kenya wafula wakoli ni gobono abo mubuhi asobo chori wakolekanete ase county ya Bungoma kirgo kyobo senator ase county ya Bungoma ni ogiategerete tabwa Timonto maiga yoyo lengo senator we county yogo chorwa koba omonogeri we bunge ikirete chukura ko irori rwose chukura gokorekana sobo choryoboke gokorekana ase county yo ya Bungoma ase ekiroge kyobo senator niko onomurandi yugwafula wakoli anyora chikura chiribu emeronge 5 no muna isano neyemo na meronge 6013 maiga yoko bwa ameriba ebabere kurwase kyamakelekya UDA na bwe kyamakelekya ODM kurwase kyama kya UDA umwamerio ye wangagima liganyaro chikura chiribu emeronge na isano chimya kende na isano na ibere 45907 ekerokerwa no umurandi gwetrase kyama kya ODM wafula wa mnyunyi anyara chikura chiribu emeronge ibere chimya isano na 19 20519 ekentokerera bono umurandi Ford Kenya wafula wakoli kurali wakoba omubui asobo choriyo bwakolekante chingo keja se constituency ya game obo choriyo bakawe bobeta bokolekana ekerokerio mu Rwanda bene otabwati kya makende gyonse gosebuna independent candidate abaga ko omubui asobo choriyo bo omekantu na Brian Ochenga maiga yo Rwanda bwa ODM kunyara wakirumse asobo choriyo bwakolekane terituko ligoro
David Wakoli Wafula, he had the most votes to come forward for his certificate.
That for us as young people, we have a cause, we have a fulfillment to give to the people, and I don't equally take it for granted.
I, Ezekiel Juma Otieno, the returning officer, hereby declare that Obiero Brian Chini Anyango of ID number 24890177 has been duly elected.
Now I'm declaring to James Orengo to prepare to work with me and know that I've won fairly this thing, even if him and Nyongo were really funding my opponent.
Umunchumulikire bono asorobo chiru asobo chori wakolekanete ase county ya Bungoma nabone county ya Siaya constituency ya Gema ni goro gotiro mutumoko mokasa mangana magia Chinsa Isato chia bono botuko kolende iwanta to koiro weekend semende studio tomerane no molikio iton demo Steven captain number 001 atumanya mange hanekura sensemo yechigo sori nyira bono timu ya Brazil ya goseria semargo na Croatia igo wanacho gotumanyina Kevin Tobere bigo kolekana ase margo ya bono Brazil njati gara gose igo yabagekondo guchiastekera ngo kendayo naseke kerebosio toska ngora nandase omotumukomoke ekeroere toska.
Umurobrio bw'ikigosori nigokoretwa sore na Peak Uniforms and Sports Center abarosia na buigo abonia bechianga ao shokobeka banyore imeyumuchukisi ase nyumba ya Baraka Building angena Shivling Supermarket gosoba keresime ase namba enoti sanonegere ibere noti Isato kianda Isato isanonemo enoti.
Emarago bengi ya Rwanda kesa tengereta mngana magia ye chigosori korwase anakerana renga iga sense ye mo ngana tebuna ndake chitimu emeronge vere nainye kunyora chiachire nka konde wekera boniga chitimu emeronge vere na isano charure korwase kemenono kerikia World Cup gia chaka ne chitimu emeronge 3 na ivere avase timu ya wangu ya gosoka ne timu ya Brazil the Samba Boys Seleção avanyara goikoru nense ya Croatia ase chi penalty ndake bona koera Brazil yange gatie timu chingi ya ase World Cup we kunyara kwaendaka na Croatia kobe timu entangani koika sense media chi semi final cha World Cup yentunde yo mwaka wechiri bwibere na merongevera ase ense ya Qatar yankore ni bayane asamanga na maya ye chigo so libuda botambe retira nende mo Steven captain 001 noto chakamanga na maya ye chigo so likorwa segeti kya Gusii stadium abu ase mega yegeti kyo gutago so ligo so lichinde chonsi korwa so mwaka wechiri bwibere na merongevere nigo bono kegore tubene ase go so ya National Super League kulia lero abu ase timu ya Shabana FC yare kogania timu ya SS Asad kurwase county ya Kwale abwase egosori yeyu omogosori Peter Ugechi anyara kwenye vekera timu ya Shabana egoli koirira timu ya Shabana kubwa egoli ya mwase bosase bono moroke monebwe timu ya Shabana Sami Okot anyarira ko chengere timu ya koira na kogosori kurwase geti kya Gusii stadium abwase anyara komotoki omogosori oye Peter Ugechi.
Game imekuwa nzuri na feel tumekuwa leo na confidence na wachezaji wamekuwa more relaxed kwa sababu wamerudi kwa home ground yao baada ya muda mrefu. Pia nao support ya crowd ya fans wao pia nao imeongezea motisha kitu yenye wamelack kwa siku mingi sana. So na feel imekuwa ni plus kurudi hapa. Hiyo win at least tunawadedicate kwa sababu ni siku mingi wajiona timu yao ikicheza. Peter Ugechi namshukuru kwa sababu at least experience ni player ana uzoefu so anajua crosses kama hizo zikija ni wapi wako supposed kukua. So ni ile uzoefu wake ndio kidogo naweza sema ime-add kwa timu.
Asamareta ngoro ku Dolphin Bwari omo nominated MCA account yetu ya Kisii. Lere tuacha kushangilia bamurabaitu bashabana bachesira umupira bya sana we are all excited bunoroche geti abante bagogete. Omopira team yetu ya Shabana ni team renkongu na ndio tutoba support all the way from the county assembly members wetu ba county assembly wana igenge nteke tanto tetego itine supplementary abana abanyore budget yabo banyore chibesa bago tumika sama tumizi yabo yawachezo omopira egento kende nabongo wakera omugabana ito Simbarati okorega asiengia otoire stadium bono maegeti abere nabo togo chatucheza ne mpira itonka neji fans chance ipitia chirego support team yetu ya Shabana heko asante sana.
Shabana kengenete no mochengo nige timu ya SS Asad nyara kwe murungani wetero moro kyoye Ali Hamis yo nyara utebanda ke tanchera neti nenchera isirimbi yabaye kubuyugwa sego suriyo sebona tebire bunanda ke tipa ya SS Asad ne chikwe robere bya sego suriyo koirora kati timu ya Shabana FC ekerenda sense moya Kwale memeno via National Super League.
Kwa jina kamili naitwa Ali Hamis Marumu. Nashukuru game imekuwa poa lakini marifari hawakuwa fair kwa sababu mimi wasilalamika kwa marifari hawakuwa fair. Nashukuru pia vijana wangu. Mimi nimetravel jana nimefika hapa saa 5 mchana na nimeliki timu kama hivi Shabana ambao wako nyumbani na crowd lakini wamepata tu goli ya kupewa, na pia nimeacha vijana 10 first 11 yangu hawakuja, wote wana mainjury. Kwa hivyo nasema nashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu, nashukuru game imeisha salama. Kijana wangu mmoja ndiye amepata injury, mpeleka hospitali, lakini niko na imani Shabana watakuja nyumbani, nitawalipiza.
Kwa mechi yao labda kuna nani na mtajipanga?
Nyumbani tuko na game, tulikuwa tuwe na Gusii, sasa wametolewa kwa ligi, sijui tutakuwa na nani. Tulikuwa tuwe na Gusii kwa nyumbani. Kimimi yani wangeongeza hizo timu, watu wakacheza ligi ikakuwa strong, kwa sababu ukiacha timu 13 itakuwa isaidii kitu. At least hiyo 20 au 19 itakuwa ni competition nzuri. Mtu atakuwa anang'ang'ana, anajua ni vipi anafanya.
Nyorabu na imentunde ya eke minano kia National Super League.